Doctors of Reddit who have delivered babies to mothers who cheated on their husbands. How did it go? The married couple did another guy, and one of them knocked out the wife. They didn't want to do the invasive paternity test during pregnancy, so they had to wait until the baby was born. Since 3 of them don't know who the father is, both the husband and the other guy were present. The couple is white, and the guy was dark-skinned. In the delivery room, the husband told the wife, "I hope you will stick to what we agreed." The husband said that if the baby is not mine, we will get a divorce, and you are not getting anything from me. The heavily pregnant wife was crying, and starting to disassociate herself from reality because of the meds. The baby came out not looking like either of them. You can tell it was mixed. The dad peeped and left without saying a word. However, the other guy was patiently waiting outside. He asked one of the nurses how it was and if she was okay. First checkup of the baby. They came in together, and the guy who knocked the wife stepped up to take care of them.